Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this Oreo milk cake. Absolutely fantastic. A work of art, isn't it? So easy to make. You just need some chocolate cake and white buttercream icing. Just pipe it on the top there and layer up. One more layer of chocolate cake. Excellent. Refrigerate for 15 minutes, then it's slightly set and easier to carve. We're carving a sort of dome shape on the top layer of the cake. There we go. Now coat the entire cake with white buttercream icing. Smooth it out. Refrigerate for 10 minutes, and meanwhile let's get creative with some blue fondant icing, rolling a big piece out flat, then covering your cake. Use your fingers to press it down, moulding it to the cake, then slice off the excess. Now turn your cake upside down and stick on your fondant decoration. Pipe on some pretty white buttercream icing and stick on some Oreo crumble, which is just Oreo cookie broken up. Stick on a fondant decoration which looks like a straw. And there you have it. Amazing! Oreo milk cake. Looks too good to drink. Oh, you can't drink it. It's a cake, of course. Well, never mind. I guess we'll have to just eat it instead.